During this season of Thanksgiving and giving back, all of us at Poplar Forest want to thank you for your commitment and support. We sincerely appreciate all of the ways you've helped us over the past 40 years. Through volunteering to give tours and help staff our events, welcoming school children to learn more about the founding era and the democratic ideals upon which our nation was founded, and providing generous gifts that help us sustain our research, restoration, and education efforts, just to name a few. After decades of painstaking research, Jefferson's retreat home and portions of his designed landscape are now fully restored. We're proud of what we've been able to accomplish over the last 40 years, and it's all thanks to people like you. As we look ahead to our country's 250th anniversary and beyond, we know that we've only just begun to fulfill our mission to preserve, inspire, and tell the emerging story of Thomas Jefferson's Poplar Forest. With your support, we'll continue to protect and preserve Jefferson's retreat and plantation. We'll expand our outreach, exhibits, and events to reach more people near and far. We'll expand our archaeological efforts to shed new light on Jefferson, the historic landscape, and on the lives of the enslaved people who lived and worked at Poplar Forest. We greatly appreciate the generous support from the many donors who have and will continue to keep Poplar Forest a thriving and engaging site where all who visit can make valuable connections with the past. Thank you, friends of Poplar Forest. Your support matters, and we are grateful for your generosity.